All right, everyone. Here we go. The last video you saw me prepping this and filling it up. This is now, I have it filled up pretty much all the way with water. I have my Simply Vita in there. Now the next step is to put it in. It's hard to do this with one hand. Give me more. Put this in the airtight jar, seal it, and now we're gonna go ahead and take it outside, put it in the sun. I don't have a mirror, but I was told a mirror could help reduce the growth of potential bacteria. But just to make sure I don't run into that problem, I'm gonna let it sit in the sun, and I'm also gonna boil it anyway. So I'm gonna pause this and I get right back to you. Okay, well, here we have it. As you can see, I got it in the sun. Now just let it do its thing for the next few hours, and yeah, then I'll deal with it later on tonight and have some after I finish training. Once again, this is assistant coach Fatal with the Attacks Gym in GL Hoodoo. Thank you for watching my little video. If you like it, check it out. Hit a subscribe, hit likes, check out all our other pages. You know, if you don't like it, let me know too. You know, always looking to learn on how to improve and get things done right. You guys have a good day. Ashanti Shana. Bye-bye.